Today we're taking a closer look at the HABOTEST HT821A rechargeable thermal imaging camera, a reliable handheld tool designed for accurate temperature detection and professional inspections. With a 320 by 240 thermal resolution, this camera provides clear images where hotspots have nowhere to hide. Unlike traditional single-point infrared thermometers, the HT821A supports area detection, allowing you to view temperature distribution across an entire surface at a glance. It can automatically track hot points, cold points, lines, and frames, making fault detection faster and more efficient. The temperature measurement range spans from -20 degrees to 550 degrees Celsius, covering a wide variety of applications. Accuracy is rated at plus or -2 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable readings during inspections. The camera also features dual light fusion, combining visible light and thermal imaging for better clarity and no blind spots. You can switch between thermal imaging, visible light mode, fusion mode, and picture-in-picture, and choose from 8 different color palettes such as iron red, rainbow, black hot, and cold blue to match your working environment. Built for real-world use, the HABOTEST HT821A is waterproof, dustproof, and anti-drop, making it suitable for tough job sites. It's ideal for electrical box inspection, power maintenance, HVAC testing, automotive maintenance, equipment inspection, and underfloor heating pipeline detection.